Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 16th day of January 2022. We're going to talk about a cannabis company called Village Farms and why this stock is not a buy. I mean, look at my chart already. I did a price prediction a long time ago, back in the beginning of 2021, plain weakness to the market in Village Farm anyway. So it should not come as no surprise for you to see the price trading all the way down here around $6. Yes, I know there's been people on YouTube telling you all to come in and buy. The market for Village Farm is going to be a very strong stock in the long term. So they want you to come in and buy these dips. They want you to come in and dollar cost average, and this market continues to fall anyway. I'm going to speak on what I'm seeing on the price chart for the long term to kind of show you why I'm still seeing that this market is not a buy in Village Farms. Now, before I do, join the community. Yeah, join us. Hit that like button, consider also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my content that I produce here on this platform. Now, check this out. Let me talk about the market action in Village Farms from my last video, and then I'm going to show you what I'm looking forward to going forward so that we won't be scared, so that we won't be nervous as to where this market is going to go. All right. So now, February the 14th, right? So the last time I did a video for this particular stock. Don't worry about it. It is still available on my channel. Yeah, go ahead and look at it on my playlist. It's still available. So you guys can listen just to see what I said, because you guys can clearly see what the market has been doing anyway. Now, let me show you this. 13.6%, right? It happened relatively quick. I did a video on the 14th of February. The 23rd, the market came in and tagged out our ultimate TP price, right? So let me zoom in so you all can see it. Now, look at where the price is now, though. If you were a long-term holder, and let's say you shorted the market in Village Farm, and you wanted to get out on the last trade of Friday, yeah, you're up 62%. So since I did that video back in February 2021, this market in Village Farm has lost 62% of its value. Now, you might think, well, if I bought the market or this stock around $16.18, how much would this market have to increase just so I can break even? Take a look. This market in Village Farm would have to increase 169% just for you to break even. Yes, this is why it's very important for everyone to understand their exit points. Yes, you need to know where you need to cut plays, because now this market will have to make a monstrous move higher just for you to break even, not to even get a profit, just for you to break even. This is what these long-term YouTubers don't tell you all about. So congratulations to those who was able to see that. That is done. That is over. Let's talk about this market real quick in Village Farms, and let me show you why I'm looking for this market to continue to go down in price. Now, first of all, we are not in an upward trend anymore. We are in a downtrend. That's the first thing. This market in Village Farm is in a downtrend. Very strong downtrend. I mean, for all of 2021, this market has been going lower in price. That's first. That's one of the things that tells us that this market is not a buy yet. You only buy when you're suspecting the market to go up. The second thing is that we have a couple of areas that the market needed to hold support, but it didn't do it. The market gives us our answers. We just don't need to come in and try to change it or alter it, because what I talk about when I say change or alter what the chart is giving us, you do that when you have indicators on your chart. You begin to alter the information, right? If you have a, exponential moving average, if you have a 200-day, a 50-day, 100-day, if you start adding MACD, stochastics, Bollinger Bands, like all of these technical indicators, it alters the clear information that is already provided. So we can see it, okay? There's a couple of areas that we will want to have seen the market buyers come in, right? To keep Village Farm from falling. This is the first area, okay? Yeah, we needed to see the market in Village Farm hold price above $7.75. We needed to see that. But did it come to pass? Did they do it? Nope, they didn't do it. Okay, cool. That is why the market is still weak. That is why we're not suspecting that this market is a buy right now. Cool. The second area was right there around $7. Did the market hold $7 as support. No, it didn't. As a matter of fact, when you look at this confirms that the weakness is still present. The market tried, it attempted to break above $7, but it failed. That confirms that this stock is still weak. If the market was strong, then on this particular 3-day price bar, the market would have closed on the high of the bar right there towards $7. It did not do it. That tells us that this stock is still weak. The market gives us answers. You just got to see it. So now, how low do you think the market's going to go then? Well, I don't think we got that far to go though, right? We've already seen this value dwindle 62% for all of 2021. Now, we're hitting this area right here that I want everyone to focus in on, right? At some point, we're going to find a support price to where the market in Village Farm is going to start consolidating and trading sideways. Can you see where that area is? Where do you think the buyers are at? Because the buyers are still here. But where do you think they find the price attractive to come in and actually buy? Maybe the first area may be around here. What do you all think? Around $4.50, $5. What do you think? Where do you think the market's going to try to find those buyers? I kind of like $5, $4.50. I like that area. Now, it doesn't mean that they will come in and hold the market though. The next biggest area I say is around $3.50. Okay. So let me show you that one. So we got a couple of areas that we need to see the buyers come in and prop up this price in Village Farms. First, I would say around $5, $4.50, right? Around that vicinity. I'm not going to get it right on the head, but it's going to be there. That's the first spot that I'm looking for the buyers to come through. Now, if we consider go on out in time and they don't come through around $4.50, $5, then we now know that $4, maybe $3.50 is going to be the second area. So now let me plot this on a chart so that we won't be nervous or scared as to why price is going down. So I said right here around $5. That's around 16, almost 17% movement lower. To 450 is around 20.75%. Down here around 350, $3.50 or 375 is around 38% movement lower. Yeah, we still have a potential to see the market in Village Farm drop another 38%. Now, $8 is how high I'm looking for the market to go. So if we don't ever see the price come back up above $8 in Village Farms, guess what? Yeah, you can expect the price to continue to go lower, right? We're still in weakness. So let me get rid of all these lines. I just wanted to visually show you where I'm looking for the market to go and find buyers. I'm done. I wanted to show you all this on a 2 weeks time frame as to why this market is still weak. Right, we've had these two weekly price bars right here to where the market tried to sustain itself. It tried to hold price at $6, but then on this last completed one, we still closed on the low. So yeah, we still got some weakness to go through. Now we might not hit 375, but definitely pay attention to that $5 price level. If the buyers come in there, you need to take the play. You need to cut it. You need to take the bag. You need to take the profit and move on. And don't expect it to come all the way down to 375. That's why I'm giving you 2 price targets. All right. So now that's it. I'm done. Let me go ahead and switch this back over to the daily time frame. Okay. So we can keep track of this particular market again on a daily basis. Now, as I always do, I keep the comment section open because I want you all to try this for yourself. You need to understand how to do this for yourself so you can see the market for yourself and know how to act accordingly. So drop me your price prediction. Give me your price target as to where you think the market in Village Farm is going to go as we go into the month of February. So let me bring this a little bit closer. This is what I'm thinking. You don't have to believe it. Nope, you don't even have to. You have your own brain. You have your own mind. What do you see? Just simply tell me publicly, what is your price target? This is something I want everyone to start doing who covers stocks on YouTube. Tell them to give you price targets. Whether they want you to hold the stock for 2 years, 5 years, what is your price target in 5 years then? because it's a scapegoat for them to say they want you to hold it for the long term. No, give me your price target for the long term then, right? So check this out. This is it. Your turn. Drop me a comment real quick. I'm done. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.